In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can share your screen on Discord Mobile. Okay, so to be able to go ahead and share your screen on Discord, what you need to do is go to a server that has a voice channel. So I'm in my own server right now. And if I just go ahead and tap on there where it says underneath voice channels, I have one voice channel called general. If I go ahead and tap on the general, but you can also do this in other people's voice channels. I'm just doing it in mine for this example. So I tap on general under voice channels. And then from here, I need to go ahead and select join voice. Now you can see I'm in the voice channel and you can see I'm talking by a green circle around my profile picture. But now you can see different options at the bottom of the screen. You have a little camera icon, but then the one next to that is a little cell phone with a right facing arrow. If you go ahead and tap on that, it says now Discord will start capturing everything that's displayed on your screen. So I can go ahead and tap on start now. And it says you're sharing your screen. You can switch to other apps for your friends to see. So whatever you're currently doing on your phone, all the other people within the voice channel will be able to go ahead and see that. And you can just simply tap on stop sharing there if you want to go ahead and tap on stop sharing. So I'll do that and I'll tap on stop sharing. So now I have stopped sharing my screen so no one can see my screen anymore. And then all you would need to do is you can press the red X button there and that'll take you out of the voice chat. But if you just want to go in, you just go tap on general again and then enter the voice chat, and then you won't be sharing your screen in the second time around. And if you want to go ahead and share your screen again, just tap on the cell phone icon with the arrow and you can go ahead and share your screen. So I hope this video was able to help you out with sharing your screen on Discord Mobile. If it did, give this video a like and subscribe for more Discord tutorials. Take care.